Good morning class, I am Thad sir. Today we will discuss the chemical properties of benzene. In the previous class, we will discuss about the method of preparation and its physical property. Today we will discuss the chemical properties of benzene. Chemical properties of benzene. That is, you already know that what is chemical property. When benzene reacts with other substance, what happens? What are the product can be formed? This is known as chemical properties of benzene. Let's know something about the history of a brief history about the chemical properties of benzene. Benzene is most reactive due to presence of double bond, but in contrary, it does not react like alkene, or it does not react or does not undergo addition reaction like alkene. Alkene unless it contains double bond. For example, when benzene Benzene generally do not undergo addition reaction like in presence of CCl4 or carbon tetrachloride. That is, no reaction takes place. Also no reaction. Because here benzene does not decolorize the bromine water. Do not decolorize bromine water. Also, benzene do not react with alkaline KNO4 where benzene reacts with alkaline KNO4, then no reaction takes place. That is, benzene do not decolorize the alkaline KNO4. The pink color do not decolorize. That is the contrary, that when due also presence of double bond, but it do not undergo additional reaction very like such type of reagent, that is CCl4 and alkaline KNO4. Also, benzene is stable due to its resonance, and in resonance due to presence of pi electron which can participate in the resonance, thus stability of the benzene enhanced. Now we study about the resonating structure of benzene. You already know in class 11 also. Today also I discuss the resonating structure of benzene. Here is the resonating structure of benzene. Resonating structure of benzene. You already know in class 11, but today we will slightly memorize you what happens in resonance. The pi electron present in the benzene which can available for resonance. Then the stability of the benzene increases. This is the resonating structure of benzene. Again, I told you in the previous that the resonating structure or due to resonance, the extra stability appears by benzene. The extra stability appears by benzene, which is the pi bond, the electron present in the pi bond, which can help for extra stability of benzene. Now, we study about the chemical properties of benzene. and benzene undergo what type of reaction? Benzene can undergo various type of reaction. These are one is substitution reaction, second one is addition reaction, third one is oxidation reaction. First we study substitution reaction. Or what is substitution reaction? Substitution reaction also you already studied, when benzene reacts with another substance that is such yellow profile, it removes an hydrogen, then a product can be formed, which is known as substitution reaction. In substitution reaction, the various type of reaction also we can study. First we study the substitution reaction. The general form of or general mechanism of substitution reaction is or benzene undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. Benzene undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. For example, here I am taking an example and explaining. Substitution reaction. In substitution reaction, on the chemical properties of benzene in substitution reaction, the various type of reaction occurs, which are one is halogenation reaction, nitration reaction, sulfonation reaction, alkylation reaction, acylation reaction. In the chemical properties of benzene, that is which undergoes substitution reaction, one is halogenation reaction, second one is nitration reaction, third one is sulfonation reaction, and one is alkylation reaction, and another is acylation reaction. All the reactions can undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, or with the help of the mechanism that is electrophilic substitution reaction. First we know what is halogenation reaction. When benzene reacts with halogen like Cl2 or Br2 etc. in presence of anhydrous FeCl3 or AlCl3 or FeBr3, then when benzene reacts with halogen like chlorine and bromine in presence of anhydrous FeCl3 or AlCl3 or FeBr3, those are known as halogen carrier. Those are known as halogen carrier, also known as Lewis acid. Again I repeat that when benzene reacts with halogen like chlorine or bromine in presence of halogen carrier like anhydrous FeCl3, anhydrous AlCl3 and anhydrous FeBr3, then chloro and bromobenzene is formed. Or when, for distinctly, when benzene reacts with chlorine in presence of anhydrous FeCl3 or AlCl3, then chlorobenzene is formed. That is chlorobenzene is formed. And chlorobenzene is formed. Similarly, when benzene treated with or reacts with bromine in presence of FeBr3, then bromobenzene is formed. then bromobenzene is formed. This reaction is called bromination reaction, and this reaction is known as chlorination reaction. Chlorination reaction. In halogenation reaction, one is chlorination reaction and another one is bromination reaction. When benzene reacts with chlorine in presence of anhydrous FeCl3 or AlCl3, then chlorobenzene is formed. This reaction is called chlorination reaction, and when benzene reacts with bromine in presence of FeBr3, then bromobenzene is formed. This reaction is called bromination reaction. Then we proceed to the nitration reaction. Or what is nitration reaction? Nitration reaction. That is when benzene reacts with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, then nitrobenzene is formed along with water. This reaction is called nitration reaction. Then we proceed to the next, sulfonation reaction. Sulfonation reaction. What is sulfonation reaction? Benzene sulfonation reaction. So what is sulfonation reaction? When benzene reacts with concentrated or benzene reacts with oleum. When benzene reacts with oleum or concentrated fuming acid, then benzene sulfonic acid is formed. So what is oleum or fuming acid? Fuming sulfuric acid. Again I repeat that. What is sulfonation reaction? When benzene treated with oleum or fuming sulfuric acid, then benzene sulfonic acid is formed along with water. This reaction is known as sulfonation reaction. So we have to know that what is fuming sulfuric acid. Fuming sulfuric acid is that when concentrated sulfuric acid is dissolved over sulfur trioxide. When concentrated sulfuric acid is dissolved over sulfur trioxide, that is called fuming sulfuric acid or oleum. Its formula is H2S2O7. That is oleum. That is sulfonation reaction. Another two important reaction is one is alkylation reaction and another is acylation reaction. That are also called Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction and Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. One is alkylation reaction, another one is acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction are two types. One is alkylation reaction and another one is acylation reaction. So we have to know what is alkylation reaction and what is acylation reaction. When so we have to know what is alkylation reaction and what is acylation reaction. When or in general, when benzene reacts with alkyl halide, when benzene reacts with alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous HCl3, then alkyl benzene is formed. Then alkyl benzene is formed. For example, when benzene reacts with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous HCl3, then toluene is formed along with HCl. This reaction is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Again I repeat that when benzene reacts with alkyl halide or alkyl chloride in presence of anhydrous HCl3, then alkyl benzene is formed. For example, when benzene reacts with methyl chloride, in presence of anhydrous HCl3, then toluene is formed along with HCl. Similarly, what is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction? When benzene reacts with acid chloride in presence of anhydrous HCl3, then acyl benzene is formed. This is the general reaction and it is the example. When benzene reacts with acid chloride in presence of anhydrous HCl3, then acyl benzene is formed along with HCl. For example, when benzene reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous HCl3, then acetophenol is formed along with HCl. This reaction is called Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Here we can study about the direct and the pull. Then we proceed to the important reaction also is mechanism, that is called electrophilic substitution reaction, which come with the substitution reaction and the several type of reaction, that is called halogenation reaction, nitration reaction, sulfonation reaction, and Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reaction under both this type of mechanism, that is called electrophilic substitution reaction. And what happens? Let's see us. Let's see what is electrophilic substitution reaction and what type of mechanism inside involved in it. Here I am taking with an example that Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, the general reaction is benzene plus anhydrous HCl3 alkyl benzene. General reaction example is have you seen how reaction of alkylation reaction undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction or in electrophilic substitution reaction what happens? So what are the mechanism takes place? Have you taking in general reaction of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction? Benzene reacts with alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, then alkyl benzene is formed. How alkyl benzene can be formed? With the help of electrophilic substitution reaction. Let's study about this mechanism. Mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction. Have we studied the mechanism of general reaction of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction? Mechanism. Electrophilic substitution reaction can proceed under 3 steps. One is generation of electrophile, attack of electrophile, then removal of proton or formation of product or formation of product. Again I told you that the electrophilic substitution reaction have 3 steps. One is generation of electrophile, second one is attack of electrophile, third one is removal of proton or formation of product. Then we proceed the first step, generation of electrophile by taking the general reaction of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Generation of electrophile. First we have to know what is electrophile. I hope you already understand that what is electrophile and what is nucleophile in class 11. Electrophile and nucleophile. Electrophile, another name is nucleophile. Electron philes mean lobule. Nucleus means nucleus, phile mean lobule. Electron is negative charge, nucleus is positive charge. So electron loving species. Electron loving species or negative charge loving species are called electrophile. Have the nucleophile, nucleus, phile mean loving. That is nucleus loving species. That is positive charge loving species. That are negative charge species and that are positive charge species. Thus, all positive charge species are called electrophile and all negative charge species are called nucleophile. Negative charge species or the species which have more electron density also called as a nucleophile. So here we study about the nucleophilic substitution reaction. So for the generation of electrophile, we generate or we form a positive charge species which is called electrophile. Thus the first step is generation of electrophile. When alkyl halide, we have alkyl chloride reacts with anhydrous AlCl3. H anhydrous AlCl3 is act as a Lewis acid. You already know that Lewis acid. What is Lewis acid? The substance which has tendency to accept a pair of electrons is called Lewis acid. And the AlCl3 is the Lewis acid because aluminum is the close to oxidation state. So it is electron deficient species. Thus AlCl3 or anhydrous AlCl3 attack pair of electron toward itself. Thus it attacks the Cl minus ion toward itself, thence a electrophile is formed. Electrophile. Thus an electrophile is formed. But the trick is, I can go with the two reactions in the same time. Then what happens to explain? Thus, I write here in the different way. That one is general reaction mechanism, and another is example of the mechanism. Example of this. First one is generation of electrophile. That is RCl plus anhydrous LCl3. That R plus LCl4 minus is formed, which is actually electrophile. Similarly, here we are taking the methyl chloride reacts with anhydrous L3. I already told you that anhydrous LCl3 act as a Lewis acid. Thus, attack or accept pair of electrophile itself. Thus, the electrophile is formed. LCl4 minus. Have the general reaction, have the example. Then first type is complete. Then second one is attack of electrophile. Then second step is attack of electrophile. The electrophile are plus or alkyl plus attack the benzene ring. Attack the benzene ring. Which are resonance then and unstable intermediate form. Similarly, by resonance. Undergo resonance. Then the second step is attack of electrophile takes place. Then the intermediate is formed. Then the last step is removal of proton. Removal of proton. That is the half circle denote the alternative position. Pi one is not completed because here one is attract to the alkyl group. Similarly, here also non-stable intermediate where the removal of proton takes place. This is called electrophilic substitution reaction. Here methyl is an electrophile which can substitute or remove the hydrogen from the benzene ring and attach with it. And H plus or the removing H plus attach with the Cl minus ion, then forming HCl. These are all about the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction. So all the reactions that is nitration reaction, halogenation reaction, sulfonation reaction proceed the same mechanism. If we first generate the electrophile or knowing the electrofield, then such type of reaction takes place. I write them now. So in similar manner, if we find the particular electrophile in the reaction, that we can proceed the same mechanism, which is known as electrophilic substitution reaction, like halogenation, so nitration and sulfonation. In a halogenation reaction, Cl plus or Br plus act as a electrophile. In nitration reaction, NO2 plus act as a electrophile. Thus, these electrophiles are attacked with the benzene ring, and the following product can be formed. Also, an interesting point is that here aluminum chloride do not affect the reaction or do not take part in the chemical combination, because here anhydrous AlCl3 acts as a catalyst. We know the characteristic of catalyst is there. The catalyst, the substance which enhances the rate of a chemical reaction, but it do not change or alter or do not undergo any chemical reaction with the reaction. All it simply comes out at the last of the reaction. So these are all about the electrophilic substitution reaction, which comes under the chemical properties of benzene. So today we will discuss the chemical properties of benzene. The first part is electrophilic substitution reaction. The next class we will discuss the two reactions, that one is addition reaction and oxidation reaction. Thank you.